You know something, Jackie, on this program, we like to have a very balanced offering.
That's right.
Every single day we try to our utmost to do that. And just a little bit ago we had, what, Miss Iowa USA on, Miss Iowa Teen USA on. So we have the beauty aspect covered. So now time to head over to the Great Day Soundstage. Time for the brawn. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome to the soundstage Abe Goldstein and the whole gang, the Java Jews are here. Abe, how are you, my friend?
Great.
Everybody's here. This is so cool.
Everybody's here.
We talked about this for a long time, and we finally were managing to get everybody here.
Yep.
Why don't you, before we get started, why don't you introduce the band members so everybody knows who's here?
All right. Well, on clarinet, Aaron Ehrlichstein. On bass, Chuck Kubestein. On drums, Josh Tiltonstein. On violin, Robert Espestein. On trumpet, Mark Finkelstein. And of course, you guys know me, Abe Goldstein Stein.
Perfect. So we're here in celebration. Now, what are we celebrating today?
We are celebrating the holiday of Simchat Torah. Go ahead, say that, Lou.
Simchat Torah.
Close.
Torah.
I was going to say Simchat Torah.
Simchat Torah. It's the end. Throughout the year, we read the Torah, our Bible, and this is the day that we end the cycle, and it's the day that we start the cycle. So we are on our Simchat Torah tour.
Okay.
Nice.
That sounds good.
Well,
So, no, seriously, what's going on? Like, is there some things going on?
It's a very joyous holiday because it's like you finished a year of your homework, and now you celebrate, and then you start again, starting at the beginning with Genesis. So it's a great celebration. People march around the synagogue, dancing with the Torahs, singing, marching, drinking.
Carrying on.
Carrying on. Yep, great holiday.
Well, listen, we'll carry on, young man. We need to hear something. What are you guys going to play for us first?
We are going to play, if you can't say Simchat Torah, try this one. Chadisha.
Hasidisha.
Chasidisha Nagoon.
the Great Day Soundstage, sounding incredible. What a unique sound. And I do have to admit, hearing you guys and seeing you guys play in person, I just realized something. I feel like such an idiot now because I thought a different instrument was being played. Now, Abe Goldstein in the middle.
A different instrument we're being played.
You have the accordion, right?
Right.
Got it, okay. And then, is that a cornet or is that a trumpet?
It's a cornet.
Cornet. Clarinet, got that one.
Right.
And then we have the violin to Abe's left, to the right of the screen on TV, snare drum and cymbal. But hearing your music in the past, hearing recordings of your music, I thought there was a tuba for some reason, or a baritone.
That depends.
No, but I realized it was Chuck Kuba. Chuck Kuba's in the back.
Chuck Kuba's in the back.
And Chuck, play a couple of notes on your instrument there. That's what it is. I did not realize it was that prominent. That is awesome. Well done. That is really a cool sound you guys have.
Now, besides celebrating on our Great Day Soundstage, are you guys going to be out and about in the community?
Well, this is our Simchat Torah tour. I mean, this is
it right
This
here.
is it.
Right here.
Now you're going to have the black T-shirts with just one name on the back.
We will be at the Israel Temple Synagogue tonight on Polk Boulevard, helping them celebrate Simchat Torah.
Wonderful.
That is great.
This is the beginning of our tour. It ends tonight at 6:30.
We're glad you can make us part of the tour.
Just like Simchat Torah, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the beginning and the end.
All right, we need to hear another song for you guys if you guys have it in you.
So this one's probably the most American klezmer tune. It was written originally for a Jewish musical in the Jewish theater in East New York, East Manhattan, back in the 20s. Became very popular in the 30s and 40s with the Andrews Sisters, even though they weren't Jewish, but we won't get into that. So you'll recognize this one. Ready? Here we go. On the Great Day Soundstage. Great violin work, man. That was awesome. Well done, Abe. And you guys are going to be playing. Tell everybody where you're going to be. The Fereth Israel Temple on Polk Boulevard tonight, 5:30 to 6:30, to celebrate Simchat Torah. There you go. Well done. It was so great having everybody here.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Pleasure to be here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Who are you guys again?
all the Steins.
Oh, the group of Steins. All right, can you play us into commercial break?
Sure.
If you'd be so kind. Thank you so much.